In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a formula in Notion. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Notion account and being able to access the homepage, the first thing that you have to do in order to add a formula is to have a specific database. And to do that, you want to go to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and either under private or team spaces, you want to go ahead to that specific page. Let's say you have created a database and you want to go to the very right hand side of your column, and at the top bar you will actually see a plus sign to add property. Be sure to click on that, and then you want to scroll until you see formula. Now within the formula, you can actually move this to a place wherein it is beside the numbers, and I do suggest that you do the same so that you can see how the values work. Now to add a formula, what you want to do next is to click on the property formula, and then you want to go to Edit Property. Simply hover, and then click on Edit Formula. Now there are actually three ways for you to add a formula. It's either you want to write or explain a specific formula, and then AI will generate it for you. Let's say, create a formula for adding two properties. As you can see, it has actually created a formula for adding two properties. What we can also do is do it manually. And to do it manually, we have two ways. You just want to know a few things. Properties or formulas work by adding, subtracting properties together. And to do that, you want to know the formula for a property. To call a property out, just type prop, and then an open parentheses and a quotation. Within the quotation, you want to add the name of the property itself, let's say amount, and then you want to close it by a quotation and a closing parentheses, and it will automatically add. Now what you need to do is write a symbol. It is just easy, plus or minus. Let's do divide. Now I want to divide the amount to the number of weeks, and to do that, I just want to write the weeks property again, prop, and then number of weeks. And then once that's done, you want to go to the top and the right hand side to click on done. And as you can see, it was automatically divided. And that's about it. That's how to add a formula in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.